Dear aspirant, before you switch to the fodder materials, please mark the following. The course package is valid till the examination, so you need to make a proper strategy how to finish all before it lapses. The closer the exam is, the harder your toils must be. As you know, there are three sections in the descriptive English paper: essay, précis and reading comprehension. Précis and reading comprehension are totally based on doing practice on the given interface. These require your reading, writing and comprehension speed. You need to frame the answers based on the information already given in the passage, but this is not in the case with essay. Essay requires knowledge, writing skills and all other kinds of skills that can help you frame an effective essay. Though the digital platform avails plethora of materials about the topic that you are looking for, yet it is cumbersome in the sense that it takes rather long time and efforts. The materials need to be framed properly within the required word limit. Your thought must be well processed. Bear in mind that everything has a place and every place has a thing. Which kind of facts and figures are to be supplied to which parts of the essay matters a lot. The model essays provided will definitely facilitate your preparation. The fodder materials consist of more than 40 model essays which keep getting updated for value addition from time to time. However, in case any essay seems outdated, let it pass by. It should be borne in mind that the essays may or may not be asked exactly how they look. However, they will develop your thought to such an extent that you will find yourselves fully comfortable with the essays to be asked in the actual exam. The materials have been made highly reliable under experts. Our motive is to help you fetch as many marks as you can by assisting you with every possible manner. All the best.